I asked my teacher not to partner me with my deadbeat father's daughter. My father walked out on my mom when she was pregnant with me. They had been married for 5 years, but he was cheating. He didn't show up for their divorce, custody hearings, or child support. He went to jail 3 times for not paying child support and avoiding it by quitting jobs and not declaring his new employment. I've never met him. A year ago, he moved back with his family, the affair partner and their kids. He has a daughter 5 months younger than me, a son about a year and a half younger, and some younger kids, but I don't know their ages. I only know the older 2 ages because we share classes. She tried to connect with me, but I told her I wasn't interested. We're not family, and I don't want anything to do with the affair family. She cried, but didn't give up. When we returned to school in August, she was in 4 of my classes instead of 1. I went to our teacher, explained the situation, and asked not to be partnered with her. The teacher agreed that it would be best to avoid hostility. Twice, she tried to make me her partner. The first time solo, the second time in a group. Both times, the teacher refused. Her parents found out and demanded a meeting with me and my mom. My mom explained the situation to the principal. They claimed I was bullying their daughter and wanted me suspended or put into a buddy program. The principal didn't take them seriously, but now her kids stare at me at school, and her friends think I'm a jerk for not getting to know her.